Hi. We'll learn about how to measure your t-shirt for the correct t-shirt size. The idea is to use the tape and measure your chest across. So I'll just show you how to do it. And just take a tape and measure this part of your chest, just below your arms. Now if I do it like this, it's coming at 42, but this is very tight, so I will keep it like this, right? So the idea is to be relaxed and it should be comfortable. So my exact size is 43 in inches. Now 43 is not a standard t-shirt size. All the t-shirt sizes are in the multiples of 2. So it is 43, you have to push it to the next multiple of 2, which is 44. If you don't have a tape like this, you can use any thread or any wire. For example, if I don't have a tape, I will use this cable, this charger, to do the same thing. What I'll do, I'll just keep the cable or thread or charger, whatever you have, and try to see how comfortable it is. If this is comfortable, I'll take this measurement, right? And now I know that I've done it from here to here. So this part is the measurement of my chest. This I can measure through a scale like this, a small scale, right? So this is a 12-inch scale. I'll just do it like this. So this is like once, twice, thrice, 3 is 36, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is around 7. So 36 and 7, 43 again. It's the same thing. So this is how you are going to measure your chest for the t-shirt sizes. And once so this part is done, another step is you have to measure the length of the t-shirt, which should be from the center of your shoulder, right? From the center of your shoulder till this part, till your knees. So this should be the correct measurement. Now in this case, it is coming as what? 27. So my, you can say, t-shirt size is 43, and since 43 is not a standard size, we'll push it to the next multiple of 2, which is 44. So my t-shirt size is 44, and the length, which is 27. So these are the figures which you have to send to us, right? With name and the chest measurement and the length measurement. So if I have to give my t-shirt size, I will just put my name here, Rahul, and 44 by 27. This is the correct way to measure yourself for the t-shirt sizes. If you are finding this difficult and complicated, so another easy way is find your best fitting t-shirt which you think fits you well, right? You take that t-shirt which you have already used, which you are wearing. I'll just show it to you from this t-shirt. If this is my best fitting t-shirt, what I'll do, I'll just put it like this and I will measure the chest area using a scale or tape, whatever you have, right? Since I have a tape, I'll use the tape. If you don't have a tape, you can use the scale also. So here you have to just do it from just say below the arms, and you don't have to stretch it. Don't stretch the cloth. If you stretch it, the measurement will be different. Keep it relaxed like this, and from here to here, it is coming as it is coming as 21 inches. So 21 inches in the front only, right? So the whole t-shirt is what? 42. If this part is only 21, so if you put it across, say around your chest, it will be 2 times of it. So whatever figure you are getting here, if it is 21 here, just double it. So if your best fitting t-shirt is say 21 inches on the front side, your best fitting size is 42. And since this is an L size t-shirt, it makes sense that it is say 21 inches. Same way, you can also do this measurement. So the length here from the center of the shoulder to the bottom. So this is 27. Generally, the you can say length of the t-shirt, they are pretty across every brand. It is same. They have a standard, but still, to be sure, we are taking the length also from you. Or just the chest measurement will be sufficient. Based on the chest measurement, we can arrive at the length of the t-shirt. So that's it. So this is how you will be doing your measurements, and this is the figure which we need, your chest across and the length in inches. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. Thank you.